times we walk the edge where legends are born. Broken chains beneath our feet, marching wild to a rebel beat. No fear, no shame, our blood runs through the flame. We are the echoes they can't drown. Rising up, we own this crown. We are the sons of thunder, hear us roar, breaking the silence, shaking the core, running a lightning across the sky. We're alive, we'll never die. Hearts of steel, hands of flame, carving our truth into the rain. Every strike, a brand new scar, fueling the fire of who we are. No fear, no shame, our blood runs through the flame. We are the echoes they can't drown. Rising up, we own this crown. We are the sons of thunder,